This is our product, Snoh Fusion, and this is the home screen where we can upload the document, where we can upload the invoice data. So first we have to select the location. Let's say uh, as a customer, I have cement manufacturing company, and I have multiple plants across the multiple location in India. So first we need to select the location, then we select the document type, and then we have to upload the document. So here I select the firstly I select the location, then I select the document type, invoice. Then we have also a option for the pages to extraction. So let's say if a vendor sends you 10 pages of PDF, but the invoice is only on the page 2, then it's 2 here, no vested processing. So we can define the 2 here, then we can upload the data. So the data will extracted from only 2 documents, not the entire 10 pages. Right. So right now I'm upload the document here, and we can upload the document in like PDF, image, in any type of format, and in multiple languages as well. It support French, Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu. So right now I'm uploading a doc invoice here. Open it and process this document, and we can like drag and drop the data. We have email integration as well. If let's say your vendor sending the invoices over the email, then you just have to attach your email address here. Then your vendor will share the your vendor will share the invoices on the email, and then a system will automatically fetches the data from the email and upload it on the product. And third one is we can scan the invoices as well. And we have also we have batch uploaded supported and 20 files at once. So now once the data is extracted, then it will move to the document details. So okay, first I want to explain the roles we have. Right now this is our user management screen. So like right now I am logging with the admin credentials. So I have the admin rights. I have the access for the entire application. I can create the user. I can upload the data. I can see the status of my invoices. I can push the data into SAP, then match the data. So right now, here we can add the new user from here, and we have some permission as well. For the system access, we have user management, location management, and dashboard. And for the operational rules, we have uploader, approver, accounting, and status viewer. So let's say I create a user by my name, then I by the name of Khushi, and I want to assign only uploader functionality to Khushi, and with the dashboard screen. So like Khushi can only upload the documents, not approve the documents, not push the data into SAP. She only upload the document, and we can assign the plans as well. Like admin can assign the plans. So from here, if I want to assign this Jaipur plant to Khushi, then we just need to click on this dot and then edit the location, and we can assign this plant to specific users as well, and we can assign the multiple plants to a single user as well. So from here we can upload the data, and now like first when the data is extracted from the document, then it will move to the document details. So here the document I was uploaded 140 PDF. Here I move to the 140 PDF, and here you can see the data. So like here the actual file we can preview as well. So this is the file which I was uploaded, and here the extracted information. So we can see like what is the invoice number, what is their invoice date, vendor name, vendor address, vendor GST. So we can validate all the information here right away. And let's say if something is not extracted right, let's say ki something is written in handwritten languages and which is blurry and which is not extracted by the AI, so we can like edit the information as well. Like uploader can edit their uploaded data. Let's say I want to like CGST, I want to 0 point something, so we can edit as well. Now uh, this data is moved to the approver. So like this functionality is for the uploader. So now we move to the second operational functionality, which is approval. So now we move to the invoices. Now you can see we have three roles here: operational, approver, accounter, and status viewer. So here you can see the all the invoices. Let's say I click on this invoice, and here we can same as it is. Like first, when uploader upload the document, approved it, then it will move to the approver. So approver can check the data. Approver can click on few match report. Before this, I want to introduce from the master vendor mapping. So, what is master vendor mapping? So, now this is important. The system doesn't just extract the data, it also identifies who this vendor is in ACP. Like, see, if the vendor code and the match type GST confidence is 100%, right, with the location code. So, what happened when the AI pull the data vendor GST from the invoice and match this data it against to the supplier master, and it found the exact vendor in the SAP and map the vendor code and plant code automatically. So like why does it matter? For so I explain for the two reasons. First one is, if an invoice has no vendor code, like sometimes when invoices arrives in that, sometime PO number is not mentioned. So this is the common with smaller vendors. The system still identify why the GST number, so no need to manual lookup and all. And second one is the vendor code. It what pulls the PO and GRN data from the SAP. Like we want to pull the data from SAP, so we pull the data from these codes. Without this, nothing works downstream. So like here, I click on the few mesh report. Here you can see the SAP data and extracted data. Here we can see this data is perfectly matched because the invoice line item, the PO line item, and GRN is matched with each other. Like quantities are completely matched, the price are completely matched, line item completely matched, and on the header level you can see the SAP vendor reference number, SAP plant reference number, which is comes from the SAP, and here the PO number, invoice number, and as you can see here the audit status as well as in matched. So now approver can approve this invoice. Once the approve the invoice, then it will move to the counter for push the data into SAP. So now we have second role for the counter, and right now I'm already said about it. Like I'm currently logged in with the admin credentials. So like now I move to the counter. Here you can see like a counter can push the data into SAP. So like here I just like approver check the data, like everything is right from the SAP and from our extracted data as well. Now we can like what is the role of a counter is to move the data into SAP. So here you can see the a small button push to SAP. So now I'm click on push to SAP button, and here we can preview the all the data for like all the payloads which we are pushing to the into the SAP. Now we simply click on confirm and post into the SAP. Now our meshed data is pushed into the SAP, and now customer can pay their payments, they can move forward with the Myro and Migo processes, right? So now, and then we have another operational rule, which is status viewer. So as you can see in the status viewer, what is the functionality of status viewer is like a admin, like a financer, like a CEO who wants to only check the data, like who only wants to check the payment is on the pending side or the payment is already done. So like here you can see the payment pending and push to SAP. So all the status and remarks can see by the status viewer functionality. Then we have document management. So like this is the three roles we have. By using this, we can I already showcased you, like from the uploading the invoice, then data extraction, then we have operational rules, which is uploader who upload the data and who upload the invoices, and then we have approver who approve the data, who check the data, like extracted data is right or the SAP data is right or not. Then we have a counter who push the data into the SAP. Now then we have status viewer. So then we have a again, and then we have next page is document management. So here we can create a document type which we want to upload. Like let's say right now we have to upload the invoices. Then So from the upload screen, in the drop down, we select the invoice document. Let's say if someone has a different use case and they want to create something different, like let's say they want to create a document type from the PO. So then just click on the new document type and create a document and assign a document name and assign this document to users. And from the extract fields, we can select out the fields from the document which we want to upload. And then we have master data, and for that I already talk about it, like supplier master, like we have maintained the supplier master data. And then we have email box attachment. From there we can upload the data from the directly from the email. Then we have API documentation page, and by using this, like by using this URL, you can upload your data from the postman. And then we have user management, which I already showcased you. Like we have multiple functionality and multiple permissions here, and this is completely on RBSC based. And let's say I did this. The we have multiple permissions, as you can see, permission for the operational roles we have different permission system, which is user management, location management, and dashboard. Then we have location management. Here we can maintain our locations. I already said, like if I have a manufacturing, and I have a cement manufacturing company, and I have different plants across the multiple location in India. So we can create the locations here and assign the locations to users, like assign the plants to users. Then we have dashboard. Here we can track the data. We can track the invoices data. Let's say, okay, someone upload the document which is uploaded successfully. A data is extracted and source also showing as a batches, because I am upload this document from my system. And if someone upload the document from the invoice from the email system, then here the source will show as an email, right? And if someone upload the data from API documentation, then source will showing as a API, right? And if someone upload the duplicate document, then status will show as a duplicate document, and data will not extracted from the document and not stored into the document details. And if someone delete the document and then upload the document, then it will state showing as a re-uploaded document. So like this is the entire functionality. So by using this, we can automate our workflow, we can automate the three-way matching successfully.